Do you know how to use a graph to solve a quadratic equation? Well, when we're looking for the solutions for a quadratic equation, we are looking for the x-intercepts of that equation. The x-intercepts are the places where the parabola intersects the x-axis. And when you know where those places are and you identify them on a graph, then you have the solutions for the equation. Let's take a look at some graphs and determine the solutions for each parabola. How many solutions do you see for this parabola? First, remember that you're looking for the places where the parabola intersects the x-axis. You'll see that it intersects the x-axis here at +1, and it intersects here at -3. So +1 and -3 are the solutions for this quadratic equation. What about this quadratic equation? Again, notice that it intersects the x-axis at a +1.25 approximately, and at about -1.25. These two values are the solution for this quadratic equation. How many solutions do you see here? Well, look at this parabola. Notice that the x-axis is here, and that this parabola doesn't intersect the x-axis at all. Therefore, this parabola has no solutions. There are no solutions to this quadratic equation. Here are two parabolas that have been graphed. How many solutions do you see here? Well, interesting enough, the same solution works for both of these equations. 0 is the only solution for these two parabolas. Here are two parabolas that have been graphed. Do you see any solutions for either one of these parabolas? Well, first, let's find the parabolas. The first one is here. If you notice, this parabola does not touch the x-axis. It has 0 solutions. Look at the bottom parabola. It actually does cross the x-axis. It crosses it here, and it crosses it here. So this bottom parabola has 2 solutions. Let's look at one more. How many solutions do you see for this parabola? Remember, you're looking for where the parabola intersects the x-axis. You'll see that it intersects the x-axis right here. And there is only one solution for this parabola because it only has one point where it intersects the x-axis.